Perhaps the best known is OnStar. It comes factory installed in millions of vehicles, but thieves know the chances are if they hit this button,
Hello,
they
and
hear.
welcome to OnStar. Your OnStar account is currently inactive. Please.
Chiefs linebacker Tamba Ali tweeted this morning to be on the lookout for his Mercedes ML350 stolen in Westport.
You want to recover the car as quickly as possible because you want to do it before the car's been pigged out or trashed, if someone's going to drive it a long time, or before it's damaged or involved in a high-speed pursuit.
Before long, he knew where it was and helped police track it down through a Mercedes app.
From here, you can locate your vehicle, so I can pull this up.
We went to the dealership to see how it works.
Passenger heated seat on.
As great as luxury features can be, they don't help much if your car is stolen, unless you're using the technology to get your car back.
I know the minute the ignition, the motor's running on any of my cars.
Dave Brucker started the community group Stolen KC more than 3 years ago after being a victim of auto theft. It's now a network of more than 100,000 people on the lookout for mostly stolen vehicles.
Here's some vehicles that were abandoned that then were discovered to have been stolen.
But Brucker protects his own vehicles with aftermarket GPS tracking devices.
I have every vehicle that I own is GPS now because it's just peace of mind.
Brucker says the biggest mistake people make is thinking they can subscribe to manufacturer-installed services after their car has been stolen. Mercedes is happy Ali has his vehicle back, thanks to technology now being installed in more and more new cars.
So recovering it really quickly, I think, is so important for people to have that peace of mind and really, that love their car.
We reached out to police in Warrensburg where his vehicle was found, but haven't heard back yet if they made any arrests. Dave DeMarco, Fox 4 News.